Hi, I'm Gemma and today I'm going to show you how to make a bug hotel to attract various insects and pollinators to your garden. To make my hotel I'm using a box, pots, logs, pine cones, bark, leaves, straw, bamboo sticks, moss and cardboard. So, to make your bug hotel, you're better building it in place outside. I'm only building this one inside today because it's small and I can move it easily to get it outside after. Where you position your hotel depends on the sort of animals that you want to attract. So if you build it up higher, raised off the ground, and it's damp and dark underneath, you'll get things like frogs, hedgehogs, any other sort of small mammals and amphibians. If you build it somewhere bright and sunny, you'll attract insects like bees, and if you build it somewhere dark and damp, you'll get like wood lice and other smaller creepy crawlies. Now these definitely work, because I built one and had to dismantle it just to make sure it worked, and I had to evict some rather angry spiders from it. So you get your box or your pallet or your crate, and basically what you want to do inside is fill it up so there's loads of little nooks and crannies for insects to hide in. And then when we're finished with this, I will take it outside and I'll show you where I'm going to put it, and I'll put a little roof on top of it. So, starting at the bottom, so you want to create little spaces for insects to go and nest. So that's it all put together, and now I will take it outside, put it in place and put a little roof on it. So that's the bug hotel in place. As you can see, I've left room underneath for little bugs to crawl. There is bricks on top as a roof, and it is ready for any inhabitants. Thank you.